this video I will show you how to quickly draw speech bubbles in Photoshop. So here I have already opened Photoshop and I have also added a picture, and now let's create a speech bubble. Create a new layer and I will name it speech bubble, and then let's go to circle marquee tool and draw a circle like this, and then go to polygon lasso tool and here shift and create a triangle here using polygon lasso tool. Right click and select stroke, and here I normally use 15 pixel. You can choose any color. Let's say we want to select green. Okay, now if you want to fill any color, select paint bucket tool and then choose the color. Let's say you want to select white, so we'll select speech bubble here. Select that speech bubble layer, fill the white color, and then you can type any text. And that's it. We are all done. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.